Okay, I'm just going to turn on the music now. Day fire, starting in my heart, reaching the fever pitch, spinning me out the dark. I'm lonely, I can see it crystal clear. Go ahead and tell me, and now you shake there. See how I live with every piece of you. Don't underestimate things that I will. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching with the dark. The scars of your love remind me your love is me thinking that we almost had it go. The scars of your love remind me where I can't help thinking we could have had it all. Oh, rolling in the breeze, you run my heart inside of your hands. And you play it and then yeah, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one that'll make your head burn. Love me in the depths of your despair, making a home from there, right me overhead. Scars of your that remind me of what you keep me thinking that you almost had it all. The scars of your that leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Oh, rolling in the deep. We can't outside on your hand. And you played it to the season. Very hard, rolling in the wind. You got my heart inside your head. And you played it to the beat. Now you're so good for every open door. Count your blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. Maybe back in the kind of reaping trying your soul. To the baby home. To the safe home. That is hard, rolling in the deep. You have my heart inside your head, and you play it to the beat. Yeah, rolling in the deep. You have my heart inside of your head, and you play it, and you play it to the beat. That's it. Okay, that's all of it. So I'm gonna stop recording.